In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if 1688 order shipped. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for to confirm whether your package is on its way. First, open your browser and go to the 1688 homepage. If you're not already signed in, log in with the account you used to place the order. Because the site is primarily in Chinese, it can help to use a browser with built-in translation. This doesn't change anything about your order, it simply makes the labels easier to understand while you navigate. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled My Orders. It's usually accessible from the top navigation or your account menu. Clicking this takes you to a list of all your recent purchases. If you have many orders, glance at the product thumbnail, order date, or total amount to quickly identify the one you want to check. Tabs or filters may appear by status, which can also help you zero in on the right order without changing any part of the process. Open the order details page by clicking into that specific order. This page consolidates everything related to the purchase, including the items, the total cost, and the delivery progress. Here, you'll find a button or link that says View Logistics. Go ahead and click it. The logistics page is where the shipping truth lives. You should see a timeline of updates showing when the seller prepared the package, when the courier picked it up, and each scan along the route. Look for a tracking number and the name of the carrier. Those are strong signs that your order has shipped. Statuses like dispatched, picked up, or in transit indicate movement, while terms that mean waiting for shipment or seller processing suggest it hasn't left yet. Some orders on 1688 first move to a local consolidation warehouse before heading internationally, so early updates may show a short domestic leg even though the order is indeed shipped. If the page looks blank or missing updates, don't panic. Tracking events can take a few hours to appear, especially right after the seller marks the order as sent. Refresh the page or check back later the same day. Timestamps may reflect local time zones, which can make events appear slightly out of sequence. That's it. Open 1688, log in, go to My Orders, open your order, and click View Logistics to confirm shipment. With these steps and a quick read of the tracking timeline, you can confidently determine whether your 1688 order has shipped and where it is along the journey.